what if the four terms require rearranging? What that means is they are not ordered correctly. Let's look at these two terms. I would rearrange it and make sure it's starting with the highest exponent, and then I'll do what we've been doing. So factor these two terms, and then factor these two terms together. And then looking at these two terms, I can factor out a 7n plus 7n into, I'll be left with 4m plus 1. So whatever you have at this point in parentheses has to be identical. If it's not, you probably made a mistake somewhere and you need to go back and figure out which step you missed. So at this point, what is outside the parentheses, you combine those terms outside the parentheses. There you go. So that is your answer right there. And then lastly, so I want the highest power to come first. So u negative u squared followed by u v and then lastly plus v. So I'm putting the u's together, I'm putting the v's together close to one another, but I'm also making sure that the highest power comes first, or the highest exponent. So at this point they're ordered correctly, so I'll want to factor the first two and then factor the last two terms together. Looking at the first two terms, they all are negative. So I'll factor out the negative u. I'll be left with, looking at the last terms, what is common? I'm already seeing a v. So I'll factor out the v, and then I'll be left with u plus 1. So here, you see what I have in parentheses is identical, so I'm on the right track. Whatever I have outside parentheses, I will combine them. So minus u plus v into bracket u plus. Mind you, another person can write this term as v minus u. It's still the same thing. That will be what your answer will look like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.